Hi guys, mga kalindog, we're going to the little park. I bring my dog, so see you.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no they don't fade away.
Welcome to Germany. See guys, I'm mga kalindog. I bring my dog here in a little, I don't know, this is a farm. Because I bring Douglas in the veterinary. Ayan, veterinaryo. Ayan, sa vet. Diba? Ganda yung panahon. Ayan guys, mga kalindog. You see the weather here in Germany? It's a little bit cool. You see, I'm using my jacket. Oh my God, in the Philippines really, oh, pack. So, ayan guys, so tingnan nyo yung aeroplano. Diba? Ganda na aeroplano. So, yung mga kalindog, we're going home na. Come on, kids. We're going home na. Ayan, and this is the apple tree, guys. Ayan. Kasi yung apple tree, oh, meron na siyang fruit. So, ayan. Thank you, bye! There we go, of course, my e-bike. Diba? So, I bring here, Douglas is here. Lucky and Victoria is here. So, come on. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my little video. So, see you. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and do not skip, please, the ads. Bye. Don't forget to smile. Mwah.